Do you want to switch to personal account on Twitter X? You can make X account personal with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To switch to a personal account on X. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on your profile icon or picture located at the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. From the menu, tap on your profile name to open your profile page. Now, tap on the Edit Profile button on your profile screen. Your profile editing options will appear. Scroll down and tap on Edit Professional Profile. On the next screen, find and tap on the option Switch Account Type. A pop-up will appear. From here, choose Switch to Personal Account. Again, a confirmation appears. Tap Switch to Personal Account again. Once done, your account will switch back to a personal account, and the professional category will no longer appear on your profile.